Meta ads are dead. Facebook doesn't work anymore. The algorithm does everything, so targeting doesn't matter. If you've heard any of these, this video's for you, because today we're busting the biggest meta ads myths in 2025. And trust me, if you still believe any of these, you're blocking yourself from real results. I'm Tessa from Sorely, and I help business owners cut through the noise when it comes to online advertising. If you want to stop wasting budget and actually see results, hit the like button, subscribe, and let's dive into the truth about meta ads in 2025. But meta ads are dead. This one has been around for years. Every time a new platform pops up, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, you name it, you hear people saying Facebook ads are dead. The truth, meta ads are still one of the most profitable and data-rich platforms out there for businesses. In fact, meta ads revenue grew again last year, and billions of people scroll Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp every day. What's changed is the competition and the game. It's not about whether the platform works, it's whether you know how to work the platform. So no, meta ads are not dead, they've just evolved. And the businesses that are adapting are still scaling profitably. Targeting doesn't matter in 2025. Ever since iOS 14 and Meta's big algorithm update, people love to say, don't worry about targeting, just run broad ads and let the algorithm do its thing. Now, broad targeting is really powerful, but here's the catch. Your creative, your funnel, and your offer still need to be really strong. Broad audiences work really well because Facebook uses your pixel data to figure out who will convert best. But if you don't have enough volume, or your creative doesn't resonate, you'll just be burning budget. So yes, broad works, but only when paired with great creative, a great funnel, and a lot of data. Targeting isn't dead, it's just moved upstream into your creative strategy. The algorithm will fix a bad offer. This is a really dangerous one. A lot of advertisers think if I run enough ads, Meta will eventually find me buyers. But here's the truth. Meta can only amplify what's already working. If your offer or your product is weak, your website is clunky, or your pricing doesn't make sense, ads will only expose those flaws quicker. Think of Meta as gasoline. If your car has no engine, pouring more gas on it won't make it drive. You need a solid offer, funnel, and creative first. Then the ads will scale you. More budget equals more results, right? Actually, throwing more money at ads doesn't necessarily mean more sales and more revenue. In fact, scaling too quickly can really crush your ROAS. Meta ads follow learning phases and optimization cycles. If you double or triple your budget overnight, the algorithm basically resets and it can tank your performance. So the smart way to scale in 2025, gradual budget increases, maybe 10-20% every 2 to 3 days max. Horizontal scaling with new audiences, new offers, new creatives, etc. And most importantly, building out your back-end funnel with email, retargeting, and upsells. Remember, ads generate attention, but conversions come from your whole funnel. Creative doesn't matter. It's all about strategy. This couldn't be further from the truth. In 2025, creative is strategy. Meta themselves have said that 70 to 80% of campaign success comes from creative. The algorithm optimizes based on engagement signals. If your creative doesn't stop the scroll, then nothing else really matters. So instead of obsessing over tiny little tweaks to audience or placement, focus more on testing creatives. That's what really separates profitable advertisers from the ones stuck saying meta ads don't work anymore. So let's recap. Meta ads are not dead. Targeting is still important. The algorithm will not save a bad offer or product. Scaling takes strategy, and creative is king. If you take one thing away, it's this. Meta ads in 2025 are less about hacking the system and more about really dialing in the fundamentals. Now I'd like to hear from you. What's a meta ads myth that you've heard recently? Drop it in the comments below and we can debunk it together. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other video on how to scale profitably with ads. Thanks, and see you in the next one.